As we move into the latter part of February, it's the perfect time to shake off the winter blues and breathe new life into our bedrooms. So, today, let's pack away the heavy blankets and rich holiday colors, and create a space that feels open, inviting, and rejuvenating. To get us into a springtime spirit, here is an inspiring quote from Hal Borland: "No winter lasts forever, no spring skips its return." When it comes to freshening up a bedroom, I think we've all been there, feeling like our spaces need a little boost but not quite sure where to start. A February refresh of your bedroom will bring new energy into your space, making it feel lighter, brighter, and more inviting. The fastest way to refresh a bedroom is by decluttering. Clutter is one of the biggest challenges we all face. It's amazing how quickly things accumulate, making the room feel chaotic and uninspired. Clutter can instantly make a room feel cramped, overwhelming, and definitely not cozy. Another challenge is lighting. Harsh overhead lights can make a space feel sterile, while the right balance of natural and soft lighting can create a serene and refreshed atmosphere. And let's be honest, dated decor or colors that feel too heavy for the season can make a room feel stuck in the past instead of light and revitalized. I've also found that many of us struggle with creating a cohesive look in our bedrooms. Maybe we love a particular style or aesthetic, but we're not sure how to bring it all together in a way that feels fresh and modern. Or perhaps our bedrooms have felt the same for too long, and we're simply craving something different. Whatever the case, giving your bedroom a refresh doesn't have to mean a complete overhaul. Sometimes, small, intentional changes can have the biggest impact. For me, one of the easiest ways to refresh a bedroom is by switching out textiles. Lighter, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen instantly make a room feel airier. A crisp new duvet cover, lightweight curtains, and fresh pillow shams, in soft, natural tones can completely transform the look and feel of a space. And let's not forget about color. Soft pastels, fresh whites, or even a pop of green or blue can give a bedroom an uplifting and tranquil vibe. Another way to breathe new life into a bedroom is by adding a bit of nature. A vase of fresh flowers. A bowl of citrus fruits. Or a simple potted plant can instantly make a room feel livelier. These small touches add a sense of freshness and renewal. Perfect for welcoming the early hints of spring. And if you're looking for an easy way to brighten up the space, consider updating your wall decor. Swapping out heavy artwork for something light and airy, like botanical prints or serene landscapes, can instantly shift the mood of the room. One of my absolute favorite ways to refresh a bedroom is by maximizing natural light. If you have heavy curtains, consider swapping them out for sheer panels that let sunlight pour in. Also, consider rearranging furniture to make the most of your windows can also help brighten up the space and make it feel more open and inviting. And if your room doesn't get a lot of natural light, strategically placed mirrors can reflect what light you do have, making the space feel bigger and brighter. If I had to pick just one change that makes the biggest impact, it would be updating the bedding. Your bed is the focal point of the room, and fresh, crisp sheets paired with a new duvet cover in a light and inviting color can instantly revitalize the space. The best part? It's a simple update that doesn't require a huge investment but makes a noticeable difference. Here's some more inspiration for your bedroom refresh. Here's a quick decor tip. Give your bedroom an instant refresh by swapping out your nightstand decor. Instead of cluttered surfaces, try a simple yet stylish setup. A small tray with a candle, a decorative book, and a small plant or vase of fresh flowers. This keeps things functional while adding a touch of elegance and personality. I hope you picked up a few simple and effective ways to bring new energy into your space. And if you're looking for more home inspiration, please check out my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have a favorite way to refresh your bedroom, be sure to share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.